Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, the life changer. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording, guys. So check this out, guys. SHX is up 14.78% for the day. The price is $0.007263. It went all the way from 0.006311 in at its lowest all the way to 0.0075 almost. It's basically trying to reach that 0.008 mark. If we look at the 7-day chart though, SHX has been is basically in this range over here, not much. This is the attraction point, 0.0070. So whenever the price goes up, it comes back down to this price levels, and vice versa. When it is down, it comes back to these levels. This has been happening in the last 7 days, so it is up 5.84% if we look at the 7 days chart. In the monthly, guys, it is down 29.66%. You guys know that it went all the way to, let me show you where it was. Yeah. So yeah, it went all the way to 0.013, guys. Look at this move. This move was one of the best moves in the bear market, in my opinion, because the way it did this breakout and all the way to 0.014, it was phenomenal, guys. So yeah, from 0.0004 something, yeah, 4162 all the way to 0.014. A great move, and since that time, guys, taking has been massive. I'll be honest, yeah, and it is natural, by the way. The price comes down, and the here the buying pressure has come again. I'm not saying that it won't come down and test this support area over here, but guys, for what SHX is doing, and the community is built, it is building, and besides community, the network and the connections that it has in terms of potential utility, it is huge, guys. And now the new news of the listing, that which has injected a sense of a new energy basically in the market, is one to look out for. Now check this out. We are The news couldn't have come in a better place, so we are sound technically as well. These are some crucial support areas over here as well. The good news is basically merging with this, is combining with this technical as well. Only $42 million market cap for what it is doing, guys. The volume is increasing as well. Anyways, guys, let me show you this post, guys. Buying SHX under 0.01 on Bitrue official will be life changing, guys. So check this out. This news, guys. 7 hours ago, exchange update. Hey, strongholders. Maxi official will be adding a SHX USDT pair on Friday, 29th March at 3 p.m. GMT. So this is huge, guys. Awesome news. Market reacted well with this news, like I showed you guys. This is the Phoenix Rising AJ. She is also excited about the news. Yes, we getting somewhere. Indeed, guys, this is huge. I grabbed another bag. Let's go. SHX finally listed on an exchange. I wonder if it's going to be a sell the news event. I think all the selling has happened. Now is the right time to be buying. But yeah, anything can happen. But yeah, in the grander scheme of things, $42 million market cap is nothing for what SHX is offering, guys. So awesome. Love to hear it. Perfect timing. What else do we have? What else? The energy is in the air, so let us look what people are saying at the moment. But before that, let us look at the official X handle of Stronghold as well. This was also a really great news, guys, which came a few days ago. Help decide the future of how SHX governance operates. Get ready for the second SHX governance. You remember that this move happened during the first SHX governance, and now that the second SHX governance is coming, guys, it has the potential to be huge, guys. To be very honest, vote Stellar Legend snapshot on Sunday, April 21st. So basically, another snapshot is going to be happening on Sunday, April 21st. Official voting period will be 04/2022, basically 22nd April to 26th April, guys. So this is awesome, and this is here, guys. What would the voting be about? I think it is yet to be announced. SHX governance operations official voting period will last. Okay, powered by Stronghold. What the people are saying over here. Can we vote through Lobster Wallet? So yeah, let us look at this. This is Thingol. I think so. You'll probably have to connect to Freiter Wallet online with your Stellar address. So this is awesome. You guys can connect it through Wallet Connect and cast your votes. I was a big Stronghold Pay believer at one point and even had 1 million tokens, but because they lack community engagement, I let go. I hope this has changed and wish everyone success. I turn to Hedera, love and how they keep everyone informed, and even the COO always has consistent engagement. Charles X. Atkins, good luck holders. We wait for your safe return to the Holdex. Guys, I think both of them are great projects. I've covered Hedera time and again. Hedera is a really great project. And yeah, I agree that they've got a lot of more posts, but they're more than $1 billion market cap, right? And SHX is $42 million. Let it basically increase. Let it increase its market cap when it reaches $1 billion or more. Slowly and gradually, these things will happen. I mean, more engagement, no, expanding the team, increasing exposure. All of this is going to be happening after that, guys, because we are at rock bottom prices at the moment. So it has got a lot of room to grow, to be very honest. And this is huge news, guys. What do you guys think about this governance vote? And what do you would you guys vote? And let us look at SHX over here. What else people are saying over here? So yeah, Green Knuckles, SHX, the last 24 hours, 109 new trust lines, 58 funded. Green Knuckles is really good. I mean, he constantly updates us about the trust lines. I really like what he's doing, to be very honest. SHX StrongPay hired a director of crypto market. Shout out to Mr. Dave Louis. They just announced they're up to be listed on Maxi Official. It's the first step towards larger exchanges and a 1 billion market cap. We're on our way. This is awesome, guys. Awesome. What's the job description of that? Okay, so what else do we have? What else do we have? Do we have any good news? Crypto Canvas, my VELO Part 2 is finished. I'm excited to release it soon. Cool. He does good deep dives. That is awesome. So both SHX and VELO had some great announcements today. Work wasn't annoying today, so today was a great day. I might make a video, the next video on VELO as well. Both of them are now basically gaining some steam after some lost momentum. Wonderful price action in the last few hours for SHX. Imagine the movement when the uphold announcement of a SHX listing happens. For now, the Maxi announcement has already shown some buying pressure. Guys, I would like to add one thing. Do not underestimate Maxi. MEXC is a good exchange because Maxi was the first that I think one of the first, or even the first I remember, that listed Caspa as well. And you remember the Caspa run? I remember Maxi being one of the few and the first. I was there. I remember it when it was only, I think, listed on Maxi or a one or two more. So yeah, do not underestimate Maxi. A lot of traction there. This is Moon Commander. As more people gain cap access and include SHX in their crypto portfolio, SHX should catapult higher this coming bull run. Awesome. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 1 cent again before the week is up. Yeah, that is possible because the news that happened, it has basically injected that sense of vigor and enthusiasm. It might go and test the 1 cent mark. It is near, yeah. So 1 cent is over here. A crucial resistance, though. If it breaks it, then it goes to test the yearly highs as well. Awesome. I guess it's just a matter of time for this one as well. New potential SHX listing incoming on OKX. Chain data shows an address recently created by OKX receiving 50 million SHX tokens on March 7th. Such address first transaction was to set a trust line to SHX. Guys, this is awesome. This is also great news. Let me bookmark this as well. This is the technical side of things. I'm sensing a breakout any day now, especially since MXC will be adding SHX to their exchange. Just look at this daily chart. Check out this flag, guys. Bullish flag. This is awesome. The trend line is also basically good. It is testing this trend line as well, and this bullish flag is emerging. If it breaks out, it goes on and tests its all the recent highs. I mean, not the all-time high, the recent high. Awesome, awesome. Let's look at what else do we have here? Okay, so anyone interested in SHX Stronghold held up surprisingly well in the current market correction, expecting a bounce off the RSI relative strength index support line. So relative strength index is also basically supporting this move up. So this is awesome. This is great, guys. So, what do you guys think about SHX being the life changer, guys? Do you believe in it? And what attracts you most towards SHX? What are the pros of SHX that attracts you towards Stronghold? I would like your opinion. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.